Unbelievable! Pouring Coca-Cola over eggs transforms a boring egg dish into an irresistible treat. First, I prepare a glass with a pouring spout and pour in about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Add a little salt and stir until dissolved. Then, I poured some of this mixture into silicone molds. Next, I gently cracked each egg into the molds. At this point, thanks to the vinegar at the bottom of the molds, the protein in the egg whites immediately coagulated and stabilized more quickly when heated, thus helping the eggs maintain their shape better. Now gently place the egg molds into the steamer. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Cover with a lid and steam for 10 minutes from the time the water starts boiling. Next, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, place a sieve on top and add 100 grams of flour and 10 grams of baking powder. Then shake well. This method helps prevent the flour from clumping. Stir until the mixture begins to thicken. But this is the ingredient that piqued my curiosity the most. Instead of adding milk or water as usual, I poured in about 100 milliliters of Coca-Cola. I continued stirring. After a short while, the mixture became smooth, slightly runny, and full of tiny bubbles. Next, I placed the pan on the stove and added a sufficient amount of vegetable oil. Then, using a ladle, scoop portions of batter and gently drop them into the pan. Initially, they looked completely normal, but after just a few minutes, tiny bubbles began to appear on the surface and rise continuously. This is exactly the sign I've been waiting for. I gently flipped the pancake over. Immediately, the underside turned a beautiful golden color. When taken out of the oven, these puffy, soft, and golden yellow cookies look very much like the donuts in the Doraemon anime. With just a few familiar ingredients and a can of Coca-Cola, you can create a treat that will pique anyone's curiosity and make them want to try it. After only about 10 minutes, the eggs were perfectly cooked. When removed from the mold, you will see that the steamed eggs have a very beautiful shape, perfectly matching the mold. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. With just a few simple silicone molds, you can transform familiar eggs into a fun dish, especially suitable for preparing for young children or decorating family meals. Tip 3. First, I crack 3 eggs and use a tool to separate the yolks and whites. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. I put the egg whites in a separate bowl. For the egg yolks, I added 30 milliliters of cooking oil and 45 milliliters of fresh milk, then stirred well until the mixture was thoroughly combined. Next, I placed a sieve over the bowl and sifted in about 70 grams of sponge cake flour to make the mixture smoother and prevent lumps. Next, I added 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continued mixing until I obtained a smooth, slightly thick mixture. Once finished, I set this aside. For the egg whites, I add about 2 grams of lemon juice, which helps stabilize them when whipped. I used an electric mixer on medium speed. When it started to foam, I added 25 grams of sugar. Continue beating, then add the remaining 25 grams of sugar. I beat the mixture until it reaches a soft, fluffy consistency, meaning that when I lift the whisk, the cream forms a slight peak that curves downwards. Next, I added the egg yolk mixture and gently mixed it in to maintain a fluffy texture. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the mixture was well combined, I poured it all into the cake mold. And place it on a steamer rack. Wrap the baking mold tightly with aluminum foil to prevent condensation from dripping down and affecting the cake's surface. Steam over medium heat for about 45 minutes. During steaming, the cake will gradually rise thanks to the whipped egg whites, creating a light and soft texture. Once the cakes are baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool. The finished product is a soft, fluffy, moist, and subtly vanilla-scented steamed sponge cake that achieves a very appealing texture without the need for an oven. So, we've completed some incredibly simple egg cooking tips that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.